Welcome to Psalms and Tides, a quiet place where the words of Scripture meet the gentle sound of the sea. In this episode we listen to Psalm 14, a psalm that speaks plainly about the human heart and the danger of living as though God is far away or forgotten. It begins with solemn words. The fool hath said in his heart, there is no God. Yet this psalm is not only a warning, it reminds us that the Lord looks down from heaven. He sees what is true. He knows those who seek him. He's present with the righteous, and he's a refuge for the poor and the vulnerable. As the waves move gently beneath the reading, allow these words to lead you into humility and trust. Bring your heart quietly before the Lord. Let his word search what needs to be searched, comfort what needs to be comforted, and draw you again toward his mercy and righteousness. This is Psalm 14 from the King James Version. God bless. Psalm number 14. The fool hath said in his heart, there is no God. They are corrupt, they have done abominable works. There is none that doeth good. The Lord looked down from heaven upon the children of men to see if there were any that did understand and seek God. They are all gone aside, they are all together become filthy. There is none that doeth good, no, not one. Have all the workers of iniquity no knowledge, who eat up my people as they eat bread, and call not upon the Lord? There were they in great fear, for God is in the generation of the righteous. Ye have shamed the counsel of the poor, because the Lord is his refuge. O that the salvation of Israel were come out of Zion, when the Lord bringeth back the captivity of his people. Jacob shall rejoice, and Israel shall be glad. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me in tonight's psalm. I hope these words of Scripture, together with the gentle sound of the waves, have brought you peace, comfort, and a deeper sense of God's nearness as you rest. Psalms and Tides continues with a new psalm every day, Monday through Friday, here in the Sleepy Psalms podcast. Until next time, may the Lord bless you, keep you, and give you quiet rest in his word.